The 2024 Isuzu MU-X ushers in a new era for the SUV, introducing a multitude of technological advancements and aesthetic refinements. Top-tier variants boast a new 360 around view monitor, offering a bird's-eye perspective for effortless maneuvering in tight spots. An innovative digital video recorder captures footage from both front and rear cameras, potentially providing valuable evidence in the event of an accident. In terms of user experience, the 2024 MU-X prioritizes convenience. High-end trims feature wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling seamless smartphone integration without the need for cords. A built-in wireless charger eliminates the need for a charging cable altogether. The exterior of the 2024 MU-X undergoes a tasteful redesign, with a new World Crossflow grille that exudes a contemporary flair. Stepping beyond aesthetics, a smart power tailgate provides an extra dose of practicality, especially when juggling groceries or cargo. New stylish 20-inch alloy wheels round out the exterior transformation. Stepping inside the 2024 MU-X reveals a driver-centric environment that prioritizes both comfort and functionality. Bi-LED headlamps with daytime running lights enhance nighttime visibility for the driver, while passengers benefit from the illumination of signature winglet rear combination LED tail lamps. A large 10.1-inch infotainment system keeps occupants entertained on long journeys, while an electronic parking brake with auto hold simplifies parking maneuvers. Dual-zone automatic air conditioning caters to individual comfort preferences, and a smart multi-information display provides drivers with essential information at a glance. Under the hood, the 2024 MU-X boasts a powerful and capable powertrain. The brawny 4JJ3TC X 3.0-liter blue-powered diesel engine delivers impressive performance, while an 800mm weighting capacity makes the vehicle adept at handling off-road adventures. For those who frequently explore unpaved terrains, a 4x4 terrain command select dial allows for optimized handling on various surfaces. With an 80-liter fuel tank capacity, drivers can venture further without encountering range anxiety. Safety remains a top priority for the 2024 MU-X. An advanced driver assist system suite incorporates features such as forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go function, and lane departure warning to safeguard occupants. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert work in tandem to detect unseen hazards, while multi-collision brake minimizes potential damage after a collision. The presence of 7 SRS airbags, ISOFIX child seat anchors, and automatic emergency braking further reinforces the MU-X's commitment to passenger safety. For enhanced convenience, the 2024 MU-X provides remote control and remote start functionality, allowing drivers to pre-climatize the vehicle for optimal comfort upon entering. Rain-sensing automatic wipers ensure optimal visibility during rain showers, while Follow Me Home headlights illuminate the path after parking. Walk-away auto lock and welcome light features add an extra layer of security and sophistication. Passengers benefit from USB charging ports and a power socket to keep their devices powered on the go. The 2024 MU-X offers exceptional passenger space with an 8-way adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, along with highly configurable second and third row seats. This ensures a comfortable travel experience for everyone on board, whether embarking on a short errand or a long road trip.
Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.